So judging by the title, you guys read, yes, I did get a collective bike. I actually got a C100 that Dave sent to me, and I said, hey, yeah, I'll do an unboxing video. I'll build it up. I've always wanted a C100, believe it or not. Like, I actually like the mountain bike style wheelie bikes. When I first started doing wheelies on bikes, it was on a mountain bike. It was on a Walmart mountain bike, but it was still like a bike with gears. Right now, I'm headed to Bicycle Bike Shop, a local bike shop near me in Boynton Beach, Florida. This is where I always get my bikes worked on and built at. We're about to get this bike unboxed and use the proper tools that is needed to build the bike. Just made it to Bicycle Bike Shop. So whenever I build a new bike, I always like to make sure put some grease inside this seat post so that it doesn't get stuck over time, because if you guys have ever gotten a seat post stuck in there, you know it's extremely hard to get out unless you use some crazy methods. So make sure when you build a new bike, you get some grease inside that seat post. Hey, those are stickers, man.
What? I did another one.
I'm gonna actually keep these. So they give you tools to put the bike together?
Yeah, safety first, you know.
I'd rather take my bike to a bike shop and then built properly. Oh yeah, definitely throw that on there.
Your proper belt.
I think that sold me right there, the belt. Oh, that was in there? That was like stuck in. Yeah, I was like, what is it? Is he breaking it already?
So always this side. Make sure that thing is tight.
This always goes on this side?
Yeah.
Spikes on the pedal is crazy.
Yeah. That's where your shin goes.
These are like mountain bike pedals. Oh, one-way Corey? These are the one-way Corey signature pedals. Shout out my guy, one-way Corey, man.
Boy, that wheel is dancing. Or is it tired? Jeez. Oh, we're gonna have to bleed it anyways.
Why, there's air?
It sucks.
It sucks. So David, what are some of the key features, some of the new things, upgrades, I would say, on the Pro models?
We're gonna have a Holotech SLX crankset from Shimano. It's gonna be like 2 pieces crankset, a lot more stable with external bearings. So a lot easier to maintain, to keep it fresh. We have 1x setup from Shimano as well. Specific 1x chainring on. 11-speed gears. We're gonna have like a really good range of gears to play with. And then also they upgraded with an XT Shimano rear derailleur that it comes with a lock. With the lock, you can have this little piece right here more loose, or if you want a lock on, this one is gonna be a lot stiffer. Okay. So when you're changing gears, it's gonna be faster and smoother as well.
Nice, nice. Yeah. You know your boy Steve's be. I'm actually pretty happy with this bike. I love this color. Like that Nardo gray is one of my favorite colors. It's actually called concrete gray. Wow. So what are we about to do right now, David?
So basically this is kind of like a European style. Right hand side is the front, left hand side is gonna be the back. So right now we're just gonna disconnect lines, flip them over. Definitely recommendation, you're gonna have to change the olives that go inside the inserts, because these ones are already used. So to be safe, disconnect, change the olives, and put a new one on. So basically you're just gonna put this little guy right here. Then you see this is the olive. This olive is already being used. So you cannot reuse it to connect it right here. No matter if you...
I've seen one-way Corey just swap them real quick and call him a day. His brakes probably don't even be working.
It's not safe.
Damn.
I'm gonna cut it. gonna put the new olive in. So for that we need a special tool. And those stops. Then we're gonna do the same process on this one.
I thought I was gonna take this bike to like the mountain bike trails and stuff because it is a mountain bike. Honestly, you can just go ahead and take off the front brakes. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and pull off the front brakes. We don't need them. I'm mainly gonna be using my rear brakes anyways. And so I was trying to get this front brake off. I was trying to figure out why this is not just coming off, but it looks like it has its own little lock pin.
So you have to basically put it down again. And voila!
Ah, okay. So what oil are you using?
Shimano hydraulic.
Pretty self-explanatory. Can you use baby oil?
No.
Why not?
I mean, you can if you're in the middle of nowhere and that's the only thing you have on your backpack. Yeah, use it. Why not? Even water, they say.
What about DOT3 fluid?
No.
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. That's all.
David's up there bleeding the rear brakes, making sure everything is good for the boy. All right, guys. Bike's out of the bike shop, all ready to go. So Collective sent me a chest rig. You can hold stuff, you know, put your wallet, your phone, you know, you can put things in that bag. They sent me a hoodie. It's a medium, so we're going to Willie Wednesday tonight. I'm gonna find somebody at tonight's ride that might want it. And then they also sent me a medium sweatpants that I also can't fit. So find somebody at Willie Wednesday, I'll probably give it to. But before we head out, I want to give this thing a quick wheelie. I'm a tall guy, so the seat gonna be like this, fam. Look.
What's so better about the Pro?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah.
You don't get the gear right now?
Soon. I don't know yet, but soon, hopefully. Drive safe, guys.
Gotta be safe.
Later. You too, man. The brakes still need to be broken in, but damn, I'm actually like happy to have one of these, bro. Like I've wanted one of these since they first came out. Seeing Jake 100 cut up on these, Bike Life Mean, One Way Corey, a lot of the London guys, just seeing them cut up on this shit, I've like literally always wanted one. And to have one and a fast stripper in my collection is just, it's just literally what I needed, man. Do a wheelie! There you go. All right, David. Also got some new tires, but you guys are gonna see those get installed in a different video. Got the C100 right here, just chilling. Got my fast stripper. Huge shout out to Collective Bikes for sending me this concrete gray C100. Really appreciate it, guys. I can't wait to give this thing, you know, the Steez touch, you know, throw some parts on there, get that thing cutting up in the streets. I'm actually going to a ride out today, so I'm actually gonna be riding my C100 today. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna end this video off here. Shout out to Bicycle, shout out to Collective Bikes, and shout out to the viewers, man. I appreciate y'all support. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, guys. It really helps out a lot. And comment down below what y'all want to see me do to this C100. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.